Alright guys, what's going on? I'm going to be doing another unboxing video for you guys today. And this unboxing is from Crested Geckos. Check them out on Facebook. Awesome service, awesome geckos, and just overall just great people and fun to work with. And yeah, go give them a like on Facebook, and I think they even have a YouTube channel called Crested Geckos. They don't they don't make a lot of videos, but they're still great people. So let's just get right into it. It's a pretty big box for only what I ordered, but we'll see what's going on inside here. You guys will be, I'll be uploading a lot more unboxing videos now that it's warmer and people are able to ship. So, as you can see there, Crested Geckos. And before I take a look at the animal, let's see what she gave me here. A little optional review for them on fauna. Cool. I'll definitely be giving you guys 5+ stars. And then they also gave me a little note here. Little thank you letter from them. Cool. I will definitely be reading that after I stop recording, but let's take a look what we got here. The box over here. Alright guys. Like in my last video, I have the flash on, as you can kind of see, but this boy was one of their first geckos that they pretty much produced out of one of their original pairings, I think, and he's beautiful. I mean, it didn't say that he was a proven breeder, but that does not matter to me. I will be attempting to breed him this summer to another gecko that I'm going to be getting soon. But awesome packaging from Crested Geckos, and they said this guy is awesome. Awesome personality, and as you guys can see, he is a pinstripe. Beautiful pinstripe. And then they also said that he was an extreme harlequin. You can kind of see on the sides there, but it is, the contrast is crazy. He is pretty fired up right now. I'm not going to say fully fired because you can kind of tell, but only a few Dalmatian spots up on his head and small ones down near his hips, but he came here safe and sound, and he is awesome. Let's see if I can a little better. Probably doesn't like the light shining on his face, but I'm gonna be doing a full collection update video on all my Cresties and just tell you guys what's going on here. But if you like this unboxing video and you want to see plenty more unboxing videos, just give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.